Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So once again, we can see quite of a journey or a day. Unfortunately, PYTH today is down, but it went up so much that it's okay to rest. That explosive, 33%. I don't know what happened. GBG also, that's a BITGET. And yeah, so let's dig in now. Let's see what altcoin season. Yesterday was 49. Today is going to be 53. Okay, we're getting a little bit higher. Okay, so now let's jump into Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin now it's exactly 52,173. And yeah, so is this fourth wave finished? Was this it, or we're just doing a higher B wave? This could be A overshooting wave B and eventually the C. So, I mean, let me take my little brush now. So that's the A, fine. But this could be just the A, B, C of the B. And after that, we can go deeper, right? So we need to be alert on that. Am I saying this is what's going to happen? Not really. I believe now that, I did said a long time ago, like 2 months ago, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin reached like between 48, 50 and possibly 52K. After that, I really thought it wouldn't go further. But now look at that. So we are exactly here at this point here. And I don't know what does prevent us to go and reach this level here. I would say not much. So we're talking about 59,000. And actually, if I zoom in here, maybe, let me see. Let's go actually and zoom in a little bit. Let's see if we can do a proper box so it can help us to see where actually price could go, right? So let's do that. So I think I'm going to go for a bigger box here, and I'm going to take the closed candle here and a bigger wick. So maybe something like that. And since we are there, then I would say maybe start the mother of all boxes for Bitcoin. And honestly, who would have thought? I mean, 2 years ago, was it? Yeah, like 2 Novembers ago, when FTX was collapsing, everybody started to collapse before FTX, and everybody was, the mood was, oh my god, crypto, it's done. Gary Gensler, it's attacking crypto. Everybody was bashing on Bitcoin, and we had the faith. We knew, we trusted the system, we trusted Bitcoin, we trusted the cycle. And yeah, am I saying I was very happy when I saw Bitcoin going lower and lower and lower? Well, I don't know, I cannot lie. It's like, yes, I was, because I knew that if it goes lower, I can get it more, right? So I was happy. But I need to be honest. I thought, well, it was my first bear market, to be honest. And I really thought Bitcoin wouldn't go lower than 48, 40, 40-ish, okay? And and then I discovered well, I mean, I already knew Fibonacci and Elliott waves, but I wasn't really familiar with it, and it kind of worked with stocks, but but it works so well with crypto. And then I start to check it out with crypto, and it works bang on. And this is how I realized that this is the way. So the more price kept going down, and more I kept buying, and all my friends were having fun of me, and then going down and making more fun of me. And then at the party, so how is it going, your Bitcoin? Well, you know, it's like now they're not joking anymore. My Bitcoin is doing fine, thank you. And I don't even know why I got to that subject. Anyway, just to say, yeah, we suffer so much on the bear market, and now we are paying it. Now it's paying off, right? So time to shine, I would say. Okay, so now my next target, you can see it's 59,000. This is the box here now. It's going to be 57,723 to 59, and we can explode. Can we do it? Honestly, that I don't think so. Okay, I would say if I need to put some number, I would put 10% chance that we get the higher high. Not impossible, but I really think after this explosion here, we need. I'm really convinced here. 56. I mean 59, 60k. Then that's it. And then after we're going to make a bigger pullback. And then yeah, so I'm going to get ready for that. Now I want to share a mistake that I did. Right? Wasn't that one? Stocks. Okay, so I think 2 months ago, I analyzed the situation and I realized that you know, the ETF performed pretty much well, the Canadian one. And on the 10th, I did sell some because I was expecting a pullback at this level. And then what happened? So I didn't sell everything. I just sold like maybe, you know, a small fraction of my holdings. And I was expecting to get cheaper, right? And then look what happened. Well, I went to vacation and decided to disconnect totally. So I was hoping to make an extra 50% gain of shares by selling here and buying back at this level. And then I forgot about it. I left for vacation. And now, well, I'm actually losing potentially 12%. So now, what's the moral of the story? Well, you know, you need to leave, right? And I don't regret. I decided to disconnect, so I disconnected. I could have maybe jump in and put some alarms, but I even I did tell you when I travel, I don't bring my I mean real phone because it's on my bank, right? So I have another phone has nothing installed in crypto. I have no passwords, you know, like I have so many that, you know, honestly I don't remember them all. So no chance to me to get in. Maybe there is one or two that I remember, and that's it. So to me, it's the safest way to travel because we need to face it. We are our proper bank, right? And all my savings are in crypto, so you know I want to protect and be safe. Okay, so this is my personal share part of the story, and okay, so now what can I do now? Now this is gone, and now when I do the chart, I can see that. Can we get there? Okay, so my next target is here, and what's the potential now for that? About 6% if we are lucky. But this I don't think so, because this is going to imply that it's going to get to the 65 to 69, right? So I would stick with this theory, and I would say if I'm lucky, another maybe 10%. Let's get there here. Okay, so maybe, yeah, another 10, 12%. So do I scale back in now? And now I'm debating, should I do that, or should I go and... Actually, no, let me stay here. No, Ethereum, it did start to manage to skyrocket, but now where is it going to go? That's the question. And I believe now the next target is here, right? So if I zoom in a little bit and I do my precious box, I'm going to do a wide one just to be generous with myself. and I'm going to say that this is the box that I'm expecting. So now I'm considering maybe to just not jump back into the Bitcoin ETF, actually maybe considering taking down money and scaling it into Ethereum. So now let's see the percentage that Ethereum should go now. You see the difference? We're talking about 20%. And that's the minimum, right? If we manage to go higher than maybe 25, I don't know. Yeah, 27. Okay, so for that point of view, I believe that it's more profitable for me now to take that money and then put it in Ethereum. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. Now, look at the daily, everything is over, but 4 hours, you start to chill off a little bit. 1 hour, we're kind of good to go, right? So I think now I'm going to jump in and keep it maybe for a while. And because I really believe that now, Bitcoin can keep going. Actually, it's still going, but you can see that now in the last 2 days, Ethereum was just following. Now, as you can see, it's gaining in, it's performing a little bit better than Bitcoin for a moment, and I believe you need to catch up this level here. So this is officially my strategy today. I'm going to get some Ethereum ETF and hold them until I reach my target when Ethereum is going to get to 34 to 3600. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I guess. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.